Okay, this is Keith and welcome back. This is the third video in my series regarding tools that you could use to make money online, and we're specifically working with the Builderall platform. Today we're going to be talking briefly about the autoresponder within Builderall, which is called Mailing Boss. So in other words, if you built a website or a funnel, which this particular web page funnel was built with our second tool that we talked about, which is the Cheetah Builder. You want to be able to collect leads. You want to be able to email them on a daily or weekly basis about products and services that you have. And you want to be able to create value for your subscribers. And Mailing Boss is an autoresponder that allows you to do that. So when you have a funnel like this one, you could create a list, and once they fill in their name and email, they can be directed to your lead magnet, which in this case, which is a little magazine, which was created through another tool within Builderall, which is the Builderall magazine tool, and I'll talk to you about that on the next video. But anyways, let's go back to the Builderall back office. Let's go to the Mailing Boss autoresponder, and within here, this is where you could create your lists. So I have multiple different lists that I've created so far. And this, again, this is not a tutorial on how to use it or how to create your list, but anyways, I just wanted to briefly show you the tool. These are just lists that I've created that that are built into either a website or a funnel. And if you come up here and let's go to email sequence, you can see that this particular email sequence has many different emails that will be going out to your subscribers. So you have the first email, second email, third email, and so on. And all these are set up to go out at a certain time. So you could set it out. You don't want to do this like every single hour, but let's say you want one sent out in the morning, one sent out at night, or an email once a day for 30 days or 15 days, whatever it may be, you have the option to do that. So when you learn about email marketing, and I'll show you another tool within Builderall in a second about email marketing and copywriting and stuff like that. If you want to learn more about it, you can. But anyways, once you're able to do that, build up that skill set, you could build a huge email list, and that email list you can communicate with on a daily or weekly basis or monthly, however you want to go about doing it, and you're able to provide value to your subscribers, and eventually they're going to be able to choose to work with you, buy your products or services. So this is another way that you could earn money with another tool within Builderall. So if we go back to the back office, I want to direct you, once you become a member of Builderall, there's many free trainings to be able to learn how to use Mailing Boss and stuff like that. But if you want to take it a step further and learn about copywriting or email marketing or search marketing, mastery or anything like that, you could sign up for this tool here, which is to the right, and they work in conjunction. Builderall works in conjunction with an education service through Simplex and Digital Marketer, and you're able to get certificates on copywriting, on email marketing, search engine marketing, many different courses that you can take for a low monthly fee of $25. And that $25 you could cancel at any time. So let's say you get all the certifications within that educational course, then you could cancel your $25 a month subscription. Very valuable education there in itself for only $25 a month. So I wanted to talk to you about the Mailing Boss autoresponder and give you a brief overview of it. Hopefully you found value in it today. Watch for the next video where I'm going to talk about the magazine builder and another tool that you could use to create lead magnets with. So please like, share, and comment on this video. I appreciate it very much. And again, if you're not a Builderall member already, there will be a link in the description for you to sign up for a trial. Thanks again for stopping by, and remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so you always get updated when a new video is ready. Bye now and have a great day.